Yes, first class children, are you all ready for it? For the class? Are you all ready with the science class work? Yes, very good morning children. Be ready with your science class of notebook. Let me start the class. Okay. So, yesterday, what is the exercise I had given to you? Give two examples, isn't it? I think that class is very clear, isn't it, first class children? Okay, now, today I am going to give you the question answers. I hope this lesson is very clear, isn't it, first class children? Okay, now you tell me, how about this, all these lessons, the journey, how many lessons I had completed for you? Yes, we had completed 4 lessons. All the lessons are very clear for you? Okay, so if it is clear, then I hope you can give very good answers for my question, isn't it? You are preparing. It means you are all doing the practice at home. Okay, please keep on doing the practice and writing practice and reading practice too. Okay. Now, before I start the question answers, keep your pencil very sharp and highlight the date and write the name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? World of Animals. Okay. World of Animals. Come on, write down that lesson name. World of. Spell the word and write. Okay. Yes, I know already you have written the name of the lesson, but we are going to start the question answers today. Okay. Now come on, let me start the question answers. Write the heading, question answers. Then leave a line. Okay. Start with the capital letter. First letter should be capital letter. Okay. Where do wild animals live? Where do they live? Where do wild animals, W-I-L-D, wild animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, where do wild animals live? Write very neatly children. Again, once again the question I am going to repeat. Where do wild animals live? Okay. Now write the answer. What is the answer? Start with the capital letter. Okay. Wild animals live in forest. You can say jungle also. Okay. Wild animals live in forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Just give the strokes properly. Okay. Write answer 2 times. Where do wild animals live? Wild animals live in forest. Okay. Now again, second question. Write down. How do birds fly? Anyone can guess? How do they fly? How do birds fly? Yes. Start with the capital letter, capital B. Birds fly with the help of their wings. With the help of their wings. You can write with the help of wings. That is enough. Birds fly with the help of wings. Okay. Write this answer children. How do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. Third question. Ready now? Which animals are called tiny animals? Which animals are called tiny animals? Yes. Which insects? Sorry, which animals? Insects are called tiny animals. Which animals are called tiny animals? Insects are called tiny animals. Insects are called tiny animals. Okay. So come on, listen children, first class children. First listen to my class, then you start writing. Okay. Now come on, say question one time, answer two times. You should have to repeat along with your teacher. Where do wild animals live? Okay. Answer. Wild animals live in forest. Is it clear? Second question. How do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. If you want to learn with the spelling, how you should have to learn? Spell. Now again first question. Now listen here. Where. Spell the word of where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. D-O do. Wild. W-I-L-D. Wild. Spell the word of wild. W-I-L-D. Wild. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Spell the word of live. It's not live. It is live. L-I-V-E. Live. Good. Now start with the answer again. Wild. Okay. Which animals are wild? Lion is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal, isn't it? So all wild animals, where do they live? They live in forest. You can say they live in jungle also. Both are same word. Now let me start with the answer. Wild animals live in forest. Spell the word of forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Okay. Now second question. How do birds fly? Yes. How do they fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. Okay. Which animals are called tiny animals? What is the meaning of tiny? Small. Tiny means small animals. So which animals are the big animals? Like elephant are the tiny animals? No teacher. Then which animals are they? Insects. Okay. Insects are called tiny animals. Which insects? It is cockroach, might be ant, isn't it? Mouse is there. So many small animals are called. That is like even insects also there. Then what else? Then small animals, you can say one more example, like mouse is there, isn't it? So they are all come under very tiny, they are asking. So you can't take that mouse. Very tiny means you can take only ant and cockroach, housefly, mosquito. Okay. So all they come under what? Insects. Okay. So insects are called tiny animals. Is it clear, children? So once again, I am asking you, where do wild animals live? Yes, you have to give the answer. Wild animals live in forest. Second question. How do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. Is it clear, children? Number third. Which animals are called tiny animals? Yes, insects are called tiny animals. Isn't it? Clear, children? Now, while writing, please, children, I am asking you to do only one favor for me. What is that? Writing good handwriting in your classwork note. Okay. Do that, only that thing. Just whenever you write the question, keep on saying, repeat the answer along with your teacher, spell the word and write very neat handwriting. Follow my strokes, upward strokes, down strokes and middle stroke. Keep it in the mind, and whenever you write in a classwork, you just keep on remembering those things. What is the basic class? What teacher taught us? How to write in the classwork? Okay, no scribbling work in the classwork. Maintain your classwork very neat, and definitely teacher will check your classwork notes. Okay, so let me start with the fourth question. And don't think teacher is giving more than 3. No, today I will give only 4 questions. Tomorrow again I will give you 2 more questions. Then we will stop this lesson. Okay. Then we will go with some drawings. Okay, children. Now listen here. This is the last question. Copy down. Okay. Name any 4 burrowing animals. What is the meaning of burrowing animals? Do you know that? How do you remember? Name any 4 burrowing animals. If you don't have the place, please you can continue in the line, second line. Okay. Burrowing animals. Yes. What is this, children? Do you understand what are the burrowing animals? Do you remember? No? Yes or no? Yes or no, children? If it is yes, okay. If it is no, once again I will help you to say this. What is the meaning of burrowing animals? Nothing but they dig the ground. They make the hole in the ground. So those animals are called what? Burrowing animals. It might be a like rabbit, snake, mouse, isn't it? So many some animals are there which they will dig the ground. అంటే మట్టి తోవి దాని భూమి కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోయి వాళ్ళు ఇల్లు కట్టుకుంటారు, న్యాచురల్ షెల్టర్. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ర్యాబిట్ ఉంటే ఏమంటారు మీరు? బరో అంటారా కదా. ఓకే ఫైన్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎలకాయలన్నీ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఇంట్లో ఉంటుందా? మీరు ఇంట్లో పెడతారా? కాదు. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతారు? ఇంట్లో ఏదైనా ధాన్యాలను తినేసి అగైన్ దే విల్ గెట్ బ్యాక్ టు విచ్ ప్లేస్? They will go into the under the ground. Okay. Those animals are called burrowing animals. Okay. So I will write any 4. Okay. Come on, write, children. You can write rabbit. Start with the rabbit. First one, example. So teacher won't start with the cursive. Rabbit. Second one, mouse. Third one, earthworm. Earthworm, snake. Okay, enough. So 4. Rabbit, mouse, earthworm and snake. Okay. So all those 4 are what? Burrowing animals. Why do they call burrowing? Because they dig the ground. They make a hole into the ground and there will be, that is their shelter. That is a shelter for those animals. Okay. So are called what? Rabbit, mouse, earthworm, snake are called burrowing animals. Okay. Come on, say name any 4 burrowing animals. Rabbit, mouse, earthworm and snake. Okay. So today we will complete the all 4 question answers we had completed. Now tomorrow again I will give you 1 or 2 questions. Then we will complete the session. Now today you had understand the question answers. Yesterday class teacher gave you 2 examples. That before I gave hard words and fill in the blanks, isn't it? So now please follow this all the exercise and keep on doing the practice at home. Okay, first class children, I hope this class is very clear for you all. You will follow my words and you will do it. Okay, thank you children, take care.